Okay, hi there. So I'm just going to do a walkthrough of the e-commerce backend application. So the first thing to do after you've cloned all the files is you can set up your own .env file. I've got mine displayed right here. I've got my password here because I'm only using it for in this one instance. So I don't mind it getting out there. So you put the database name, um, e-commerce underscore DB, and the user is root, and then you put your own password in so that you can run MySQL. And so then once you have that set up, you would do npm install. I've done all this, so I'm not going to type it out, but you would do npm install, and then um, you would that will get all the dependencies from the package JSON, um, and then you do source db / schema.sql, and it will set up the tables, and then you exit your MySQL, and at the command line you do npm run seed, and it'll put all the information into the database, and then at that point you say npm start, and I'm going to do that right now, and it says it's now listening, and so it should all be set up so I can test my roots in Insomnia. So if I go to Insomnia, first of all, I'm going to get all of the different things I can get. So I'll start with categories, get categories. And you can see the different categories: shirts, shorts, music, hats, and shoes. And then I can also get products, just a little bit more thorough. You can really see all of the products and all of the different kinds that are here. With the sneakers and the hat. There's a rock music hat and a blue hat and a red hat, etc. And you get into so this is basically everything. And then if I just get tags, you can see how each thing is sort of specified. The rock music as a tag name is associated with the branded baseball hat and also the vinyl record. Tag name pop music, etc. So, and then you get the tag names that are just the colors, and just see what they're attached to. And now we'll do a little post put delete example. So I'll go with products. There's our get. So I'm going to post a new product. So you need a few things that you have to include here. So I'm going to start with the product name, and I'm going to say button shirt, and price. I'm going to say $10.99. Making sure to put commas in, and then stock. I'm going to say 35, and category ID. I'm going to stick to 1, since the category ID is 1 for plain t-shirt. Keep it in that category. Put a comma, and then tag IDs. I'm just going to put 3. And that should be that. So if I post that should post it. And if I do say get now and get products, you should see this in the bottom now, button shirt. And so if I wanted to say correct something or update this, I would do a put. And if I go with its ID 8 is the button shirt. So if I put in the 8 there, I can change this to buttons shirt, say. I'll take out all this information. So I'll just take that comma out. So I'm updating that. Um, oh, no, it should have worked. Let's see if I get that. Yeah, it's Button's shirt now. So that's good. And then I can also just delete this whole thing. So the ID is 8 for Button's shirt. So I am just going to now delete the whole thing. 8. Don't need this, but it doesn't matter. And if I press delete, that should have worked. And if I go to get products, if I say 8, it says null. And if I double check by checking all the products, when I get to the end here, there's nothing beyond here when it was at the end before. So that's about it. Everything seems to work with the roots. So I'll end it there. Thanks for watching.